Assalamualaikum guys, today I'll show you how to download bluestacks and install in Windows 10. So open the browser Chrome or Mozilla, anyone you have. Type bluestacks, the first link, open the first link. This might be www.stacks.com and type here, click on download bluestacks. Now here downloading is start. So wait until it download. It depends on the speed of your internet. I already downloaded because the file size is about 250 MB. So open it in the folder. Now double click on it. So execute run file. Take a little time. Click on yes. Now click on here install now. Now here the process is starting. Now here he gives us a note. Disable your antivirus if you face installation problem. So if you face any problem, click disable your antivirus. Starting welcome message shows after completing the download starting process. So click on next, next, next. You can also click on here if you don't want to see the. No, it takes 2 to 3 minutes on first boot. Now here you need to log in with your Google account. Wait until the window loads. Now here the window comes. So click on next here. Now here giving two options: add your existing Google account and sign below. You can create a new account on google.com on your PC. So I'm here pressing continue because I have already account and here I'm putting my account. So now click on here. Now click on OK. Here keep me up to date with the click here. On next. Now here you log in. Now you can download any game and game like you download from Android. So good luck. If you have any query, feel free to comment.